Today, I'm going to be showing you how to install software on Manjaro. So, before we get into actually installing software, first let's go over how to install updates. So what you're going to want to do is come down to Add Remove Software right on your taskbar by default, and then you're going to want to go to Updates, and then it'll quickly check for updates, and it looks like we've got quite a few updates. So what you do is it'll have all updates checked by default. You just click apply, and then it's going to ask for your password. It'll give you a final confirmation of what it's going to install. What you do is you just click apply, and then it'll start installing the updates. All right, and then if it says that you have to restart for the changes to take effect, just click restart. All right, now that our system is rebooted and fully up to date, now we can get into the rest of this video. And by the way, to get rid of this pop-up, just turn off launch at start down here, and then just close it. But anyway, in order to install software, we can come back to Add Remove Software, and then it'll allow us to browse for software through here or by using the search button. But let's just say we want to install GIMP. We can actually click on it to get more information, and then we can click install here, or you can click this download button here, and you can actually select multiple pieces of software like so. I know GIMP and Blender are two popular creative softwares on Linux. GIMP is for image editing and Blender is for animation, in case you aren't familiar. But anyway, once you're done, you just click apply, punch in your password, and then I would install all the optional dependencies, and then it'll show you a summary of the installation. Just click apply, and then it'll go install your software. All right, now, depending on what you've installed, it might say that a restart is required, but for now, let's just close that. And if we go into our application menu, we can see that GIMP is installed, as well as Blender. There it is. Now, if you want to remove software, you just go back into Add Remove Software. And then you can go to the Installed tab to see your installed applications, and then just click the delete icon on an application that you want to delete. Again, you can select multiple, but then click apply, and then apply again. Punch in your password, and then it'll go uninstall those applications. And there you go. Now if you go into your Manjaro menu, you can see that it's no longer there. Same with Blender. So now if you want to get applications from the Arch user repository, or AUR, which Manjaro has access to being an Arch-based distribution, just go up here, then click Preferences, then go to Third Party, and then enable AUR support, and then just hit the X button, and then it'll apply. And then we can search for, say, Google Chrome, which is in the Arch user repository, and there it is. So now, in order to install software via the command line, you're going to use the sudo pacman command, and then to install software, you would use -s, and then the package name, and then to remove software, you would use -r, then the package name. And then to do a system update, you would do -su, then hit enter, punch in your password. Now it didn't find any updates because there are no updates available, but you can get a full list of commands for pacman by doing pacman -h, or if you want something more in depth, you can do man pacman to look at the manual page for pacman. And that's it for this video. Be sure to give it a like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and see you next time.